Animal video. Animal video. Oh my God. Animal video will hit. Animal videos would hit right now. Oh yes. What? Lion trapped by a clan of hyenas. Oh my God. Interviews.
As they mature, young males...
Chat, what's your favorite animal? I saw a video of a badger in like real life and grabbed it and picked it up, bro. Mine's a lion, and then a honey badger, and then I don't know what the rankings is. I love owls. That's Jordan's favorite animal, owls. Jordan loves owls. Penguin, aura, that's different. If you like penguin, that's looking swag. I feel like whose favorite animal is a penguin might got some type of swag to him. Lions and leopards, okay. Cheetah, okay, that's Sean's favorite animal, cheetah. Jaguars, my second favorite big cat. I don't know, they're swag to me. I love otters. Otters in my top 5.
To explore the boundaries of the pride's territory.
Us! He weighs a lot of weight, gang. That's like over 600 pounds right there trying to jump.
Ventured out alone.
Who's the hyenas of the streaming world and who's the lions? First name the hyenas. Who are the hyenas of the streaming world? Like, who you say were the hyenas? Gotta like jump niggas and shit. Clip pages. Who the lions of the streaming shit? Who the lions? Who the lions? Okay, I'm waiting for Duke Denzel. That nigga doesn't stream. He don't count. Clavicular. So Illuminati doesn't stream. YourRage? I think so. YourRage. I see that. I see that.
And blundered straight into the middle of the hyena clan.
Boy, that motherfucker drooling. You a crumb, you black. Bitch, what? Oh, they trying to jump this nigga. That's how hyenas know how to fight. They gotta jump niggas, bite niggas in the ass.
He's trapped by over 20 of them.
You really remind me you can't beat a wolf in a fight? No, you can't beat a wolf in a fight.
This number of hyenas could kill him.
You know what's the things that we don't think about, gang? In a street fight, you know, there's rules, but niggas usually, you always just see the outlier of a nigga going for a nigga's balls and shit. Bro, in the animal kingdom, you could deadass just be chilling, and then all of a sudden you're getting jumped by a bunch of hyenas, and your balls get ripped off. Like, one of these hyenas could dead just try to bite this nigga, and they just get his balls. Like, dead, like, genuinely, imagine that, gang. I would go for your knee. They always go for the ass, bro. Hyenas are so annoying, gang. Look how they build. They built so. What type of bitches is they built? They built like something. Oh yeah, look. See, one hyena can't do shit to a lion, but there's over 20 of them, bro. Look how he picked this pussy ass nigga up. Look how he did this pussy ass nigga. Us, like nothing, like a rag doll. Look at the pussy ass, but quick to jump a nigga.
It's impossible to fight them all at once.
Quick to jump a nigga. Yeah, look.
He can't keep them at bay for much longer. He's
Chat, what you doing in this situation?
Going fast.
Bro, you gotta like break one of their legs one by one or something, bro. He's fucked. Use roar. I'd shoot them, nigga. You're a lion. You don't have a gun. Let the devil out. I ain't gonna lie. I'm opening some gates. Nigga like me turning into Madara. Using hockey.
His ally, Tartu, has heard the commotion.
Oh, yeah. Is that little bro? Calling Duke. Yo, this nigga a warrior though. He trying to 1v1 us. Yo, he. Oh yeah, LeBron.
Now the odds have changed.
Look at these pussy. There's 20 on niggas. As soon as you see 2 9 niggas, yo. Alright, gang. Yo, hyenas are the biggest pussies in the animal kingdom.
Hyenas, a pair of male lions is too much to take on.
Comp. Yo, that's the bro. Yo, wait, what? What the fuck? Wait. Alright, bro. Let's talk about that gay shit. GG.
Red is lucky.
No. The fuck was that? Wait, what is it? What happened? Wait, what is it?
Is lucky.
Two lines. It takes 20 hyenas for 1 line. Fuck up. 3 cheetahs versus ostrich. Wait, what? Cheetahs be on ostrich ass?
Kenya, famous for its big cats. The supreme hunters.
Yo, something about big cats, chat. All of them. Lions, leopard, cheetahs, jaguars, tigers. They're the most beautiful, like look how they're designed, bro. What the fuck? Why is nigga saying Kawhi got 70? He has 45. Why did that Clippers game go to 145 points, though? Bro's heart drops. My heart did not drop. Big cats are so beautiful, Chad. Like, that's designed by God himself. That's an alien. Long neck ass. Like, that's literally an alien.
Specialize in hunting at speed. Though fast, they're fragile creatures built to sprint after
cannons.
Small prey. They don't have the strength or weight of a lion to bring down larger animals.
Ain't zebras just mean-ass horses?
This male is different. He doesn't hunt alone. He's learnt that there is strength in numbers.
Yo, this nigga look calm. This nigga look... Yo, that nigga look kind of bulky. Are they mic'd up, nigga? Why the fuck do I hear the licks? Shotgun mic.
But here, there are not just 2, but 3 cheetahs. A band of brothers.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna say it.
They have changed their tactics, and by doing so, have taken their prey by surprise. They have learnt that working together, they can bring down large prey.
It's always good when you work together, gang. You do what I'm saying?
An ostrich, a bird that towers over a cheetah and is more than twice as heavy. It can't fly to escape danger, but...
Bro, that's an alien game. What the fuck is... Like, we're just so used to seeing these things from what we learned. Like that's not a... What the fuck?
It can lash out with a deadly kick.
That's how I feel about big fish too, and whales and shit. Like, an octopus, bro.
A female, unaware as yet of any danger.
Bro, killer whales probably look at humans like orcas and shit. They probably look at humans like some
Even
crazy.
with 3 of them, this is still highly risky. If one gets injured, the other 2 couldn't hope to tackle such large prey.
Chat, who went in the 1v1, me or a cheetah?
On the other hand, if they get it right, the rewards are huge.
Thanks, chat. I ain't gonna lie, that ostrich is beautiful. That's
the
a beautiful
male has
shit.
spotted one of the brothers, but only one.
He ain't worried about that little nigga.
It's not too worried.
He ain't worried about one of them hoes. Bro, this is how you gotta live life in nature, gang. Like, everywhere you step, there's an op looking at you, bro. Like, your ops are constantly in your line of sight. And you can never lack. You can't sleep lack, like. Oh, GG.
Then suddenly, there are 3.
Oh, shit! Oh, that
The
nigga
female
gone.
is slower to realize the danger, and
Oh,
the
shit. Oh, shit. He left his bitch. Yo, he left his bitch. Yo, he left his bitch.
The female is slower to realize the danger, and the cheetahs switch targets.
Oh, shit! Skirt! No, no. Oh! You gonna let your bitch get caught up like that? Come on. You gonna let your bitch get caught up? Save her! Do something! Save her!
It takes the combined effort and weight of all 3 brothers to bring down this powerful bird. Even now, the ostrich could land a fatal kick.
Super baby Joker with a big tank gifted to the damn, cuz. Now he ain't good, bro.
So far, the brothers are winning. Ostriches have yet to find a way to foil such tactics.
Damn, cuz. Otter family defeats caiman? Wait, what? No, fuck, I bookmarked it. I like otters.
Just as they've done before, Diablo and the family have to deal with this threat.
Diablo.
All the adults
Fuck Otter. Fuck Otter.
start to harass the caiman. As the cubs keep their distance,
Harass
Sophia
the
takes her position at the front, sizing up the caiman.
Yo, why she dead
Others
sizing
move
this
in
nigga
to
up?
try to distract it.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if they defeating the caiman, bro. They got armor. Reptilians got armor, bro. How much armor do
Diablo once again
Do a
moves
caiman
in
got
from
in comparison
behind
to an otter,
and goes
chat?
for the tail.
Oh, shit.
But the caiman refuses to back down
+9 smithing stone.
and then begins to fight back.
Oh, shit. Oh, they jumping that nigga. These niggas bold. What's going on? Go under the water. Get her underwater. Grandma!
The cubs panic and follow the adults right into the middle of the fight.
What?
They're in extreme danger now, so the adult otters step up the assault.
Yo, they trying to drunk this nigga. Yo, they
The
are.
caiman tries to head for the safety of the bushes, but it's too late. He's outnumbered. The otters seize the moment.
They did not just. What? I know it's not a
Incredibly, they
gator or nothing,
overpower
but
the
still.
caiman. Some holding it down, others biting it in the head.
Yo. Otters are swag, gang.
After nearly an hour of brutal fighting, it's all over.
Otters some real ass niggas. I don't give a fuck. Yo, they like slaying a dragon to these niggas, gang. Damn, they strong like that, though? You lost the soldier?
The caiman may be dead, but Charlie needs to know if all the otters are okay.
No.
It doesn't take long to realise 2 of the cubs haven't survived the fight. Stuck in the middle of the action like this, the young, inexperienced cubs were no match for such a powerful and aggressive predator. The truce between otters and caiman has, for a brief moment, been broken.
I ain't gonna lie, the caiman was chilling. Them otters put up on that nigga for no reason, gang.
What impresses Charlie the most, though, is the incredible show of family bonds and physical strength the otters brought together to kill the caiman and eliminate the threat of it from their lake.
Bro, the caiman was dead just chilling, bro. Baby penguin tries to make friends.
At the colony, 2 weeks have passed. The chicks are testing
Yo, is he teabagging this nigga?
their independence and spending time away from their mothers. All, that is, except one.
Chat. Y'all remember Happy Feet, bro? Y'all remember motherfucking Happy Feet, bro? Happy Feet was comp, nigga. Happy Feet was comp. Y'all know how to do nothing. Happy Feet used to go stupid, nigga. Happy Feet was stupid, bro. She kind of hurt my knee, but it's straight.
As the last to hatch, he's way behind in development.
Yeah, run. Look at these
While
niggas
the
faded
older
already.
chicks are boisterous and confident, he still feels most comfortable in his mother's pouch.
What do
But
the inside of the
penguins are
pouches look
sociable
like?
birds, and to survive,
Big
he
ass-
must
your
learn
fat
to
ass
play
can't fit
his
in there no more,
part
bruh.
in the colony.
Get your fat ass out of there.
It's a daunting prospect.
Mama got
But the
icicles
little
on her
chick-
toes and shit.
Find some courage.
Chat. Imagine you just have a pouch between your legs where your balls is to hold your jit. Like, imagine you just get that shit equipped after you give birth. I do. Nigga, what? Oh, look how worried she got. Look. Oh, honey. Motherly instinct. Yeah, look at this shit. this is art, bro. Like, look at this. Like, that shit is swag. The pure black. That's an OLED black, like OLED screen black. A nice peach salmon color right here. Like a burst deep orange, sun-kissed reddish orange into a yellow, into like a off-white. Like, bro. Swag, gang, swag.
It's a shaky start, but he mustn't lose his nerve. Time for a bit of tough love.
Man, shut up, nigga.
With every step, he gains more confidence.
This little nigga look stupid. Cute ass little shit. Nigga moving like this. Yeah.
It's just as well. He has so many friends to make.
What if they just jump his little ass? Make some friends. He's freezing.
But when you're the smallest, it's tough to join the gang.
Oh shit. Fuck you, nigga. I don't know you. Fuck away from me, lame ass nigga. Aww. Aww. Do you think he knows which one's his mama?
For now, there's always Mum. Out in the open ocean, the fathers are reveling in being back in the water.
Trying to catch some food for the fam.
They haven't eaten for 4 whole months and have lost half their body weight.
I can't do that type of Ramadans. That's a different type of Ramadan fasting, nigga. I can't do those. How the fuck? 4 months? 4 motherfucking months? Bro, it's a different life out there, bro.
To stock up on fish and squid, they hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and dive to nearly 600 meters.
Yo.
Deeper than any other bird.
We don't think about this. Like, imagine being a sea creature only for your purpose to get eaten and die whenever penguins are done with the little hibernation cycle when the ice melts so they could come and fucking eat on you, nigga. Like, imagine dying to a penguin, bro. Like, niggas don't think about shit like that. Imagine, like, an army of penguins plunging towards you. How fucking terrifying that might... Like, imagine looking up and you see a bunch of fucking... hundreds of fucking... thousands of... Oh, my God. I never even thought about shit like that. I want to see the POV of the little fish getting eaten. Put a camera on them little niggas or something next time, huh? GG, go next.
At the colony, 3 weeks have passed, and the chick is confidently following his mother wherever she goes. He's still learning how things should be done.
What the fuck?
And how they shouldn't. He soon thinks there's nothing left to learn.
Nigga think he him. Look at this little nigga, chat.
So nervous
He swear he
toddler
him.
turns cocky explorer. But at this age, she mustn't let him out of her sight.
I love our little nature arcs, chat. I love our little nature shit.